Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Nick Speeds here, and today I got something special for you guys. An IRL video actually. It's pretty crazy. Today we'll be doing an eating challenge. It's nothing massive. It's actually pretty small when you consider the size of the food. But yeah, what we're gonna be doing today is the Popeyes biscuit challenge, which basically I'm gonna try and eat it in 1 minute. 1 minute with no water. No water. Except for at the beginning, just to get my my throat a little bit warmed up for the occasion, just get it a little bit wet. Because I really don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. But maybe I will. So yeah, I got the timer right here. 1 minute. I don't even know if you can see that, but y'all will hear the timer when it goes off. Okay, let me hold up. Okay. Give the nose a couple flares. That's when you know you're ready. Okay. So yeah, I'll hit the timer button and on go. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. Go. Oh my god. Bro, it's so hard. No. Hold on. So I didn't expect it to be that hard. Oh. Oh wow. But I got the biscuit. I got the biscuit. Oh, where's it go? Oh my god. Wait. It's not gonna go good. No. But oh my god. Help me. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. It's over. The table. Oh, I'm going here. I still. My biscuit fell right there. It was right there. I had to get up, go get the biscuit, and then go in. Alright. This challenge is over. I don't even think I'll be able to complete it with water. Why did I do this? I have no idea. I spent a lot of biscuit. There's currently biscuit all over the table. And we're now like 4 minutes into this thing. And I just finished it. And there's still a lot of stuff stuck in my braces. So yeah, don't try that at home. I almost choked. You don't want to try that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it. Please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It's free. Oh my god. Okay. I'll see you guys later. The video, it's done.